Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to create this cool title transition in a PowerPoint presentation. Open New PowerPoint Presentation and start by copying and pasting an image to cover the whole slide. I'm using a picture of the Eiffel Tower to make a presentation about Paris. To make the image fit perfectly, enlarge it on both sides at the same time by dragging the mouse cursor and holding down the Ctrl+Shift keys. Continue by inserting the shape. Select a rectangle shape from the Shapes menu and cover the entire image with it. The shape should have a color that makes the title stand out. I will make my shape white, so it looks better with a colorful title. Let's insert a title by selecting a text box that covers the whole slide. The title should be very large and use a thick version, such as black or bold. I will choose Aptos Black, enlarge it to 300 and center it in the middle. Use the guidelines to move the title to the center of the slide. Now it's perfect. With all the components set, it's time to cut the title out of the rectangle. I select the white background first and then the title. Then open Shape Formatting, click the arrow next to Merge Shapes and subtract the title from the background. It will make holes in the part where the title used to be. Although it already looks good, let's make the title more visible and give it a special touch by adding a shadow. Start by right-click and selecting Format Shape. The shadow is set by opening Effects and enabling Shadow Effect. It can go from left to top or from right to bottom. You can adjust its size and blur until you are satisfied with the result. Finally, the title slide is finished, and we can duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Here the magic starts. Zoom out the second slide. Click on the background shape and enlarge it while holding Shift key until the image, the Eiffel Tower in my presentation, is fully visible in the opening of the title letters. Let's zoom back in and give it a closer look. To make animation, select the first slide and apply the morph transition. Once done, open the slideshow to see the new opening title transition. And that's it. Now you can make your presentations more impressive. I will add a little bonus that shows you how to go from the title to the first slide of the presentation. Insert a new slide and write what you want there. For example, it can be a title. Select a new slide and set a push transition. Check it by running the presentation again. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you can subscribe or give a like. See you in the next one.